Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And also welcome to day number 3 of giveaways. This here is an example of one of the 9 boxes that I am giving away as part of this 9 days of giveaways that I just kind of randomly decided to do here on my YouTube channel. But there are so many different beauty products in these boxes that I'm giving away, and it's very easy to enter my giveaways. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at The Life of Christina, and leave a comment on this video of a way that I can contact you. And this giveaway is going to be open for 1 week from the day that this video goes live. And good luck! I'm so excited to get into today's product because it's from a brand that is new to me. It's called Toyfactory, and I got the Superset Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray as part of my October 2022 boxycharm base box, and I got a pretty good box this month. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that yet, that video is up here on my YouTube channel. But I love the packaging of this product, and I was looking this brand up online, and I just love the look of all of the products, and I love how all of the products have like serum and skincare and just really cool looking products. So I'm excited to try this out. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It says it's your serum and setting spray in one, which I think sounds awesome. It retails for $24, and this is supposed to give a hydrated, dewy, soft look, which I feel like my skin really needs. I actually applied my makeup a few hours ago, so I'm kind of using this to also refresh the skin. I have some dryness, like where I've had some breakouts, I've got dry skin there as well, and I just really hope that this hydrates my skin, gives it that dewy, glowy look that I try and achieve. And so here's how it looks. I really like the packaging. This is a big setting spray as well. For $24, that's pretty good. And I'm really excited to see how this spray bottle is. I'm going to just start out with a little test spray, see how it is on my hand. Oh, okay. It's actually not as light of a mist as I was expecting. It does kind of do like a very wet squirt, focused pretty closely. So I feel like I'm gonna actually have to hold this a little closer than I'm used to. And I'm probably going to drench my face, but that's actually what I like to do with my setting sprays. Some people love that super fine light mist that you can barely feel. I actually do like to be able to feel my setting spray, but this one seems very soaking. So let's see how it goes. I'm also just going to focus this on half of my face for now so that we can see if there's a difference. So here I go. Yeah, like that's too far away. It didn't even reach me. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like very soaking. That's might be the harshest setting spray bottle I've ever used. Wow, I feel like that's also going to make me go through this very quickly because each spray, it's like such a small area that it actually gets onto the skin, but it's like super soaking. Oh my goodness. And then I always just like fan my setting sprays. And since my face is so soaked, I'm going to have to fan it for longer. It's going to take longer to dry. Let's see if there was a smell to this, because I did not notice one. Sometimes when setting sprays are way too fragrant, I'm not a big fan of it because it can like irritate my eyes, it'll make me sneeze, but I'm not noticing a scent to this one. My skin is still wet, and where my skin is dry here, it did not help to hydrate where my skin is dry. I'm going to just try a little bit more squirt there. Oh my gosh. It's like also hard to aim this squirt bottle. Okay. I'm not a big fan of the sprayer, of this packaging, this bottle. I think, yeah, it's dried down now on my forehead. My cheek still has like literal droplets on it. But my forehead here, that's where I can get a good gauge of this. And with it versus without it, it actually does add some nice dewy shine. Yeah, and it does, like if my skin's not a super dry patch, it seems pretty hydrating. I'm just not seeing as much of a difference from this as I was expecting. Like a little bit more shine going on, a little bit more glow, which is nice. I mean, now that my cheek is drying down a bit, I can see that difference. It does give that just more hydrated, refreshed look to the skin and the makeup. It just takes a while to dry down, and this way it sprays is a little bit too much, but you know what? This finished result is actually very nice. Where I went over the dry area, it's just still not, unfortunately, it's still not hydrating the dry patch. So for just like regular normal skin, it's really nice. It gives that perfect amount of shine. Not too dewy, but enough that it does just look more moisturized. Wow, okay. Gonna go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face, but just again, the difference with it versus without it. Now, maybe I'm noticing maybe the slightest hint of almost like a tropical smell, but overall I would not say that this is an overly fragrant setting spray or even really fragrant. It's very cooling as I'm fanning it because my face is so soaked. So it's nice, like if you need to cool off, it's good for that. I'm almost like, after I use up the setting spray, I should save this bottle as like just like a squirt bottle, like a spray bottle, because it is such a fierce spray. But it does, like, it is now dried down on this side of my face, and it still kind of looks as wet as when I just applied it, like that amount of hydrated shine. So that's really nice. And it helps the makeup to just really like melt into the skin, set into the skin just like a setting spray should. And it feels very comfortable, hydrating, refreshing. So you know what? I am happy with this. I will definitely continue using this as a setting spray. And I have a lot of mascara on. Usually I would do my setting spray before applying mascara, but this did not make my mascara smudge or run. So that's also awesome. So yay, my first Toyfactory product that I'm trying out, I am very happy with. So if you've tried any other Toyfactory products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them. And I'm really hopeful that I can try out more from this brand. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.